Hello, I'm Jacqueline, Knowledge Anywhere's marketing lead, and today we're going to go over how to use the directed learning feature to assign a course to an individual learner. So with this feature, administrators can assign one or more courses directly to an individual learner without having to first assign the course to a learner path. To assign a course or learning path to an individual learner, one learner at a time, we're going to start off in the Admin LMS and go to the Learner tab on the left-hand side. From here, you can search the learner that you would like to select. I'm going to do Charlie Gillette, who is our Knowledge Anywhere founder. In the Learner Details, click on the Assignments tab here. If the course you would like to assign is not already on the list, you can click this Assign Content tab here. For example, here are all the courses that you could assign to Charlie. Let's say I want him to learn more about anti-money laundering. I'm going to apply this here. Now you can see anti-money laundering in his course or learning path under directed learning. If you want to unassign content from this list, simply deselect the item and unassign. If you'd like to assign a course to many learners at once, you can go back to the learner page, click on multiple learners that you would like to have a course assigned to, and click on this Assigned Content. From here, you can choose content to assign. Let's say I would like the anti-money laundering, and you can assign it like so. Let's see what this looks like for a learner side. If you go to the learner view here, and then go to Learning Paths, you'll be able to see a learning path called Directed Learning. This should always be on the top, and you can see the anti-money laundering that was assigned directly here. This has been a very basic overview of how to use the directed learning feature to assign a course to an individual learner or bulk learners at the same time. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to support@knowledgeanywhere.com. Thank you.